Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a BMW 3 Series door handle. First, gently remove the small trim piece located behind the interior door handle. This will expose two Torx screws. Unscrew these two fasteners to loosen the handle assembly. Next, using a plastic trim removal tool, carefully begin to pry off the interior door panel, starting from the bottom edge. Work your way around the panel, releasing all the clips. Once the door panel is loose, you'll need to disconnect several electrical connectors. These typically power the window switch and other components. Carefully unclip each one. Next, detach the door handle cable. It usually has a small clip or lever that needs to be released. Ensure all wires, including any speaker wires, are completely disconnected before fully removing the door panel. This prevents damage to the wiring harness. Now move to the exterior. Open the door and locate the Torx screw on the door jamb, usually near the latch mechanism. Loosen this screw, but do not remove it completely. This screw releases the small cap or lock cylinder on the exterior handle. Once loosened, slide this cap or cylinder out. With the cap removed, you can now pull the main exterior door handle assembly straight out from the door. To reinstall your BMW 3 Series door handle, simply reverse these steps. Make sure all electrical connectors are firmly reattached and the door handle cable is properly seated. Double-check that all clips on the door panel snap back into place and all screws are securely fastened. Test the handle's operation before closing the door completely. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.